What's up, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your girl, Bree Baby here. And I'm getting ready to do the burping challenge. Before I do it, I would like to say thank you for liking all my other videos. Thank you for asking me to do this challenge. And another thing, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit subscribe. If you haven't liked the video, like it up, share the video, and leave a comment down below. Let's get into it. Okay, I have it. Like a banana, an ice cream sandwich, cup of milk, a jar of ice soda, 3 boiled eggs. I'll show you guys these. 3 boiled eggs. And nuts. So, first thing I'm going to eat is the ice cream sandwich. Oh. Sorry, y'all. Cold. I'm about to drink the soda next. So, whew. Hold up. Ooh, hold up. Whew. Oh. Oh. There you go. Y'all got it. I think the egg now. Egg. Hard boiled egg. And that was the soda I just got burger off. Hard boiled egg. Burger off. Excuse me. And I'm just eating everything. Uh, uh, everything. Shit. Ooh. There you guys go. You got the burping challenge out of me. And I'm about to eat a piece of this banana. This is, I mean, everything that makes me burp. And milk. Alright, there you guys go. Got the burping challenge. Again, subscribe to my channel, share it, like it, and leave a comment down below. Alright, if you want to see me doing any other challenges, leave it in the comment, and I'll do it for you. See y'all. Peace.